How to keep OneDrive files online only. Do you want to free up space on your computer without deleting your OneDrive files? You can keep them online only and download them only when needed. Here's how to do it on Windows. First of all, open File Explorer and go to a OneDrive folder from the left-handed navigation pane. Now select the files or folders that you want to keep online only. You can select multiple items by holding the Control key. Right-click on the selection, then choose Free Up Space, that is right here. This removes the local copy from a PC but keeps the file in the cloud. You'll still see the file in your OneDrive folder with a cloud icon ready to download whenever needed. And that's it. You've now saved local space while keeping your files accessible anytime via OneDrive. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.